Wetin they do this small girl? E good? This girl wey be say this man women on top her. E good? Make una follow me, make we know what's up.
Welcome back to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell and like my video. Relax yourself and enjoy this video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Friday Charity TV. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so whenever I upload video, you will be notified. If you are subscribed already, God bless you. My people, another story don't come. The real truth about this barrister wey after he don't do the do with that little Calabar girl finish. Now the real truth we want talk today. So this matter, it don't say the matter don't take small, not be even this year. Now last year this thing happened. Last year now it happened. They don't they battle the thing, they get the police custody ever since. But now police can't publish this video because of the video where all of na see now, all of na know the video, it don't go viral where. Police people now they can't publish the video because of wetin the man family they do the girl. They don't tell them they leave the girl. They don't want to leave the girl. If you now look that video where that girl resemble person wey do that thing. The girl no even awful. She no hold bad. She no hold anything. Poor innocent girl like this. When we say poor people no get safe for our country Nigeria. Even the policemen self, the thing touch them. That is why they need to even leak the video out. Maybe people for see whether now this girl really do that thing or not. But everybody will watch that video will know say no be that girl do one. If now she do herself and she say the man no gree wake up, she for even from there sneak out. But now she go call manager by herself. She go call manager tell her say you don't know wetin they do this man no. They even ask the girl to eat for the food where the man eat. She do that one. They even open the man bag. Una see different things where the man they take. Una see different things where the man they take. Wetin can't do this man family? We una no gree leave this girl alone because una know say na poor girl, because una know say na small girl, because una know say our country Nigeria na lawless country where be say poor people no get say. Not only the rich na they talk for that country. It's really bad. I feel so sad for that girl. I feel so sad for that girl. That kind of self, shame for not even let this man family even come at self. Una for the shame for herself. Una for the shame for the late man. They say they know they talk bad about the hair. But the truth has to be told. We must talk the truth. When did that man do no good? He not even quick and pay the girl, carry the girl money, carry go. Una supposed pay that girl, compensate herself. When the man say do the do till they break. Because of how much we want give this small girl. He go drink this one, drink that one, drink this one, drink that one. He want yours scatter everything. He want as in he want work for him money. Not be can give her RIP so. Now I could give her that one so. All those men wanna they feel say they be innocent, they know they do that kind of thing. My sister, be careful. Be careful because the man family still they say they never believe say the man go they do like that. Nah, this thing for church, nah barrister. And so they write am for their forehead. They know they write am for their forehead. All these men cheating did their DNA. The man knows say he na one kind popular person for the society. That is why he go carry that kind girl wey be say nobody even know. That kind small girl wey be say no go feel link that is secret come outside. That is why now only God know how many small girls he don't carry like that. But now this girl can be the victim for inside. Now this girl now can just fall for this one. I feel so sorry for that girl. My people, wanna come outside, wanna talk for this girl. Make them leave the girl. Make them leave the girl. even that kind of man, you know your position for the society, you know you are a well-respected man. You see that kind of girl, they do that kind of thing, you know if you come out her for that situation. You know if you come out her for that situation, say, ah, my daughter, why you dey do this kind of thing? As you small rich so, and you see the way the girl even look. You for ask her wetin be her problem. I know say na situation na make that girl go dey do that thing. Una yeah, not be only that thing she dey do, say she still dey say kwe business. But maybe that business no dey move. She wait to survive. Man must survive. If to say the man a good man, you for not even do anything with that girl self. You for just give her money or find way to help her. People like that man mates, they help girls like that. Yes. If not to further their education, they go further, and if not to put them for trade, make them learn trade, start business for her. People they do one. I don't know why some people get wicked hearts. After all the knocking, all the things where that girl pass through for that man hand before the man go, una still hold that girl till today. She never even rest since that day where that thing happened. I can imagine how she feel. How she feel. That kind of thing, person might know the rest. You will feel somehow. You are person sleep till daybreak. Daybreak, you no wake up. That kind of thing, it get a person they feel for inside. I know what that girl they pass through right now. And I say here say they don't sentence that girl. Like really? Like seriously? Why our country be like this? Even when the judge go know say that girl dey innocent because the man family get money. Because they know say nobody go come talk for that girl. Because they know say the poor no get safe for Africa. They go still pass that judgment to favor the man family. You as a judge wey pass that judgment, you know if you stand on your ground say no. You see the case. You see how the thing happen, starting to ending. You know if they say this girl dey innocent, you go free her. You know the judge self, you don't even need to explain anything to anybody self. You as a judge, you know what to judge, you know the right thing to do. This thing they pay me for body because so many people they pay for waiting they no one no to put for that our country Nigeria. I talk about police the other day. I see one video where people say police just they harass one boy, they just they beat the boy for nothing. If to say people not gather for there that day now, I believe say maybe they for shoot that boy. Person never dey guilty until court tell am say he dey guilty. Why e be say you go see suspect, you go just dey beat am. The real suspect now, they no go fit catch those one no. The main people where they do this wickedness for Africa, they fear not go let police people near there. Oh. Fear not go let police battle with them. They not go dey show that now innocent citizens where they waka their own, where they no say you no get say, where they no say you no get people to fight for them. Now there you for the see police people. Now there you for see now then they'll come they raise shoulder. They'll come they raise shoulder. They'll come they raise hand like this. They'll come they say, I'm a uniform man. I'm a uniform man. I'm a uniform man. Which kind of uniform man when you be when you not feel respect yourself? When you not feel respect your old age? Our police now even they terrorize that country. One lie. Now they terrorize that country because una no know una work. Una no know una work. Una too they use that uniform till they intimidate people. Which is not fair at all. You guys should change your ways, please. Change your ways, oh. Make una change una ways, I beg. Now here I go talk, rich. I beg my people. Mona come outside. Mona still talk for this girl behalf. Make they leave this girl. This girl dey innocent. This girl dey innocent. Only God will know what she dey pass through for there ever since last year December. Oh God. God of the poor, come and fight for this girl. Come and fight her battle for her. Now here I go talk rich. Make una share this video. May reach their hand. And the family of this man, I beg, big hole no do. I dey beg on that girl behalf. make una free the girl, make una leave am. Who don go, even though una jail the girl for 100 years, the man no go come back. What is your gain? See you guys in my next video, and remain blessed. Bye bye. I still remain your baby girl, Friday Charity. Stay tuned and bye bye.